Hey everyone, welcome back to our episode. Today we are diving into Microsoft Teams, a fantastic tool for communication and collaborations. In this video, I will show you how to make calls in MS Teams, whether it's a quick one or one chat groups meetings. Let's get started, okay? So the first step is you need to open up the Microsoft Teams. So here I have already opened up the here, and you can do this by clicking on you can start buttons or use the team icons, your desktop, or searching for your start menu. So once you are in, so you will see the main dashboard. There's various options on the left slide bar. Okay. So to make our one, you can follow these simple steps. So step is go to the chats icons on the left slide bar over here and find the persons like you want to confirm your recent chat. Use the search bar at the top to type here their name. Okay. And here, select a contact, like find your person you want to call from your recent chats. You use the search bar and the top or type their names. Okay. For example, I want to call the Edins or this one. Okay. And also, first you have selected the contact, or if you want to contact with a new person, so you can start with the new chats over here. Give here the entire name or email or phone number to contact them. Okay, so let's start with the previous one. I want to work or call these persons over here, and now you will see two icons in the top right corner. So you video cameras for video calls and fun for audio calls. Okay. So click on the appropriate icons to start your calls. Okay. So now click over, like if I start with the, just hit on the audio calls. Now it counts with the audio calls with the person. That the next one step I want to leave from here and then go to the video calls. So make sure that you have connected with that cameras in your desktop, in your laptops. So okay. So now so for now I don't want to just leave it, and here we can easily use these icons and here also the video calls. Okay, now let's move on to the group calls. Okay, so group calls in the MS are perfect for Teams meetings, discussions with the multiple clients for multiple peoples. So here how you can start a group calls. So create a group chats, like click on the chat icons over here. You can easily work over and add the groups name. So if you do have the groups names, like I have the first chats or this one, I have these groups over here. I want to make the group charts over here. Okay. So and click on the chat icons over here, and you can add view or add the participants. If you want to add the more peoples, by clicking over that peoples and actually have their names, email addresses, and also the phone numbers. Also like here, you can also like here the new charts, like pencils in squares over here. Okay. Next search bar, and now you can add the participation by using or to the fields if you want to use over here. So like if you want to add the more payables like here, so by clicking or add the peoples, give here their names. Okay. And also you can give your name groups are named for easily identifications, and just with the one or initials, click on the videos or phones icons in the top right corner to start your group calls. Okay. So like here, click over here and it will give you the access with the group calls with the like your groups. We have the first step or this one, okay? And sometime you might want to schedule your calls later time. So here how you can do that. So you can do by going to the calendars, click on the calendars icon on the left sidebar, use the schedule or like click on the new meetings over here, okay? And in the top right corner and enter the meetings titles at the participations like here, add titles or enter a participations and set the date and time and additional details, okay? So like here, if you want to add something like 31st and I want to add use and make sure you are set or you have set up the dates or times over here. So for example, let's use something the 4 p.m.s over here, and you can easily work with this one, okay? And you can also send the invitations or the click on the save to make the or save it. Like here, for example, let's use or here we have the Teams over here. You can say or before that let's edit it again, and we can also send the invitations for joining this or with this meeting. So okay, and it's time for the meetings. Everyone can join by clicking the link to invitations or directly from the Teams calendar, okay? So you are in that calls. MS Teams offer several features like enhance your experience. So for example, let's use your other calls and make it our, and it comes with the connectings with our or with the peoples, and it's calling server here. Or let's start over here, and here we have not this one, and then here you can also mute and unmute like if you want to use or use it, or here so we have the options like the microphone or mute and unmute, and turn on or turn off or the cameras by using this one, and also share the screens. Use the chat feature or you click on the share screen icon to share your screen with others if you want to use it and chat. So use the chat features like feature to send a message, or also like here this whatever if you want to use our file during the calls. And participations, click on the participations icons. So like here we have the peoples to either say who people are, who is the participants, who in the calls, and to add more if you need over here. So here we have now this one, okay? So these tools make your call more interactive and productivity. So, and there's now you can know how to make calls on Microsoft Teams, whether it's work, say schools or catching up with your friends. So MS Teams make it easier to stay connected. So thanks for watching and see you in the next times.